Let's scare up some Halloween decorations. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's Halloween time. It's time to scare up some Halloween decorations, but it's also time for you to remember something. I have seen some really cool Halloween decorations, and I mean super cool. The only problem is, a lot of people forget that they live in their house. Yeah, you might have a lot of ghosts and goblins running around your house, but if you forget that you actually have to live there, that could be a problem. Last year I saw one house which was decorated. It was amazing. However, to get to the bathroom you had to scoot your way behind a ghost and try not to make the Frankenstein monster go off while you're trying to get to the bathroom. It really wasn't worth it. So one of the things I'm going to tell you is, as you are doing your Halloween decorations, like I said, remember you still have to live there. And if you have company coming over, that's a whole nother thing. Now this time for my Halloween decorations, I'm going back to my roots. You're saying, well, what are your roots? Well, my roots came from theater. I did set decorating for our local theater, actually in a few shows, but I really love to do set decorating and I really like to tell a story. So this time I did my whole idea behind we are living in a witch's cottage. And this witch's wizard kind of cottage isn't over the top because, like I said, I still have to live here. I pulled everything together in a really simple way, using just stuff that I had, but not stuff that screamed Halloween! Because, you know, every day I don't want to have Halloween screamed at me every time I get up. So I did simple decorations just using what I had. Now I will admit some of the things that I had bought specifically for Halloween, but it wasn't that over the top because I could put them in spots that was effective and yet really get that, you know, vibe across. I have lots of stuff to make potions. I have crystals, I have a broom, I have some tarot cards out there. Big things that you can see, big things, because it gives you more of a cluttered feel, and that's what I've noticed about the whole Halloween decorating, is the fact that most of the witches and wizard pictures that I looked at, it was always function over form. Function was the big thing. See what you're going to use it for, and then go and see if you can find something pretty for it. So I have my potion bottles, I have my herbs already out there, but it's all pulled together with this theme. Now, do you have to do something like that? No, you don't have to go over the top like that. But I do want to stress, having an idea or having some sort of theme behind it does make it easier. I took away all the brightness from my normal fall decorations and put in more dark colors. But I didn't take away everything because, well, I can't take away everything simply because, well, it's still, you know, my house and everything. But the colors are darker because that's what we want. We want a darker, moodier feeling. And I think I really got that this time. And I didn't do the whole traditional pumpkins and all that stuff. Now, I did do that in the kitchen simply because the kitchen will switch out for the videos, so yeah, I did do more of the cutesy kind of thing for the kitchen. But for everything else, it stuck with that whole witches and wizards kind of theme to it. And I really like that. I really like the subtlety of it. I like the fact that you can feel like it's closing in on you because there is lots and lots of tchotchkes and stuff, and things are coming in, and it's darker colors, and it gives you that sort of, well, something's just not 100% right here. And plus, when you get some nice Halloween songs going, well, then you really get that whole Halloween feel. Now, you are going to get to see me actually go through this and set this up in shortly, well, a little while. And it did take way longer to do than what I thought it would. But it is really nice to be able to pull these things together without doing a whole lot of extra work, because guess what? Most of the fall stuff comes back for Thanksgiving. Yeah, it comes back. But I took all that fall stuff down. I washed what had dog hair on it. Yeah, the dog's hair goes everywhere. I washed that stuff. The other stuff I just fold it, put away, and then put in the darker colors, the moodier colors. And these are just simple things that you probably have laying around your house already. The cool thing was the jars of herbs. That really was neat. And then things which I didn't have, I put salt in jars, I put dog hair in jars, and it just looks like the jars are all set up for spells and that sort of thing. I used a wooden muddler, and it looks like it's almost a wand. This just gives me this really cool Halloween-y kind of vibe, and as you can tell behind me, yeah, I still have some Halloween things. Dark colors, moody, sort of feeling like cramped and claustrophobic. That gives you a nice Halloween feel without making it feel like, you know, Halloween has taken over your life. Well, let me know what you think about these pictures and everything, and like I said, you're going to get to see the transformation in the longer Decorate With Me video, so that is coming up. I think it's next week, but that should be really enjoyable. Let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell so that way you know when I have a new video coming up. I hope I get to see you again next time. And check out these videos that I picked out just for you.